Hello, investors and traders. Today we are going to discuss the quarterly results of Angel One. So Angel One has announced the September quarter results today. So we are going to look at how are the results of Angel One. So this is the consolidated financial performance of Angel One for the quarter ended September 2024. Gross revenues, total gross revenue. This is in blue. So 9356 is the quarter two revenue. Interest income is 3594 and others is 2210. Total 15,160 million. So 1516 crores. So this is your the gross revenues. As compared to YOY basis, it has shown a tremendous jump. YOY 1049 crores. Quarter on quarter also it has grown. Last quarter it was 1410 crores. This quarter, September quarter, 1516 crores. Tremendous jump in the gross revenues. EBITDA, if you see here, 43% YOY basis, 597 crores, 49.9% margin. Margin also has gone up on QOQ basis. Margin has gone up from 37 to 50%. 50% margin in September. Tremendous, fantastic results. Profit after tax, YOY basis, 39% growth from 304 crores to 423 crores. Fantastic, spectacular performance by Angel One. So let us see the revenue, segmental revenue breakup. 69% is gross broking, which was last quarter it was 65%. So broking revenue has increased, gross broking, and last year it was 62%. So definitely the broking revenue has gone up to 69%. 17% is your interest. So interest has gone down for 24% to 21 to 17. So 17% is the revenue from interest income. Depository income is 3% from 4% to 3% down. Distribution is 1% and your other income is 9%. So majorly आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे ये ब्रोकिंग इनकम, ग्रॉस ब्रोकिंग जो है वो इंक्रीज हुआ है क्वार्टर टू FY24 में. F&O देखोगे तो 85% इज योर F&O ग्रॉस ब्रोकिंग रेवेन्यू मिक्स में 85% इज F&O which was 84% in last quarter and YOY it was 81 to 85% on YOY basis. Terrific results. Cash basis 11% has remained steady, but YOY basis it has gone down a bit. And so basically broking income में 85% is constituting your F&O broking income. So let us look at a margin profile, net broking revenue and margin profile. So 78% is your direct business, which is more or less around 77%. So that has remained constant around 22% to 23%. So assisted business is 23% and direct business is 77%. But if you see here, 698 crore is your contribution to net broking revenue. EBITDA margins, if you see 46% in quarter two, okay, 32% last quarter में था. Massive jump in margins, 46%. Even YOY basis also from 39 to 46% from direct business, and from assisted business 60% margin, 60%, and quarter on quarter, last quarter 54%, it has grown to 60%. Fantastic results. So let us look at client funding book spread over a large customer base. So total client funding book size is 4262 crores. वो काफी, it's a huge jump from last year. And even quarter basis also it's seen a huge jump from 3,409 crores to 4,262 crores. This is client funding book size. Low per client exposure is also gone up. Client funding book segmentation is 81.9% is less than 0.1 million. So number of clients. So this is robust risk management to avoid delinquencies. So that is showing a good picture here. So let us look at consolidated profit and loss statement. So here, if you see here, the interest income has gone up tremendously, right from your last quarter, quarter one FY25 is 294 crores, so it is 359 crores. So even compared to your June quarter, it has jumped. Compared to the last year, the terrific jump in 181 crores से 359 crores, massive jump in interest income. Fees and commission income also, if you see 864 crores last year, it has gone to 1149 crores. That is also seen a massive jump. Net gain on fair value changes is around okay. Total revenue from operations 1047 crores से 1514 crores. Tremendous jump. 44.5% is your revenue jump as compared to YOY basis. Total income. Then expenses, if you see here, 52.3% expenses have grown, and you see your profit for the period is 423 crores as against 304 crores. तो लास्ट ईयर इट वाज 304 crores. जून क्वार्टर इट वाज 292 crores. थोड़ा कम हुआ था जून क्वार्टर में, बट September quarter it has given spectacular results. 423 crores is your profit for the period. So on a half yearly basis, if you see here, robust client addition, India incremental demat accounts. So for the first half of FY25, 24.1, incremental client base is 5.2 for the first half of FY25. So Angel's market share incremental demat accounts is now 22%. It was at 11% in FY20. Abhi 11% say it has gone up to 22%. So this slide shows that Angel is gaining market share in NSE active client base. So it was at 11.2% in Q2 FY23. Now it has gone to 15.4%. तो 415 बिप्स एक्सपांशन इन मार्केट शेयर. तो मार्केट शेयर बढ़ रहा है इसका एंजल वन का. 15.4% मार्केट शेयर हुआ है. एंजल वन रैंकिंग इंक्रीमेंटल एनएससी एक्टिव क्लाइंट्स इसमें सेकंड है. Okay, that is Angel One is the second in this. Let us see order volumes which are the key revenue drivers. 489 million is that Angel One's orders. 489 million in the, September quarter. Angel One's NSE active client base is 7.4 million. So that is also increased. So here if you see Angel One's average orders have increased greater than 80% instances where either index corrected by greater than 5% over the last 66 months, demonstrating a robust fintech model. So you can see here how the Nifty has fallen, but the Angel One's average order has gone up. So market share, let us look at a market share. Market share based on notional turnover for equity futures, premium turnover for equity options. So it was at 15.9% in Q1 FY24. It has gone to 19.3%. So market share is consistently going up. In the overall equity market share. F&O market share is 20.7%. That is also going up. Cash market share is 17.5%, which is also very good in Q2. And commodity market share is 62.2%. This is a massive jump from 58.1. 62.2% is the market share in commodities. Excellent results. फिनटेक बिजनेस ड्राइव्स मल्टीफोल्ड इंक्रीज इन क्लाइंट एक्टिविटी. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे ओवरऑल एडीटीओ दिस इज एंड ग्रीन इज नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्स. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूअसली गोइंग अप. कैश सेगमेंट ऑर्डर्स आर ऑल्सो गोइंग अप. 117 मिलियन इज कैश. कैश डिलीवरी 74 and 42 is cash intraday. So 117 million is cash segment orders. Future option segment orders also at 349 million, out of which 346 is options and remaining are futures. Commodity segment orders has massive jump, 23 million. Commodity segment orders. So Angel One presented investor presentation for September quarter, fueling aspirations, fostering change. Here is a snapshot of FY25 Q2 performance. Client acquisition metrics 11.2% QOQ basis. Total client base is 27.5 million. Active client metrics 7.4 million. NSE active client base is 9.6% QOQ growth हुआ है, बहुत बढ़िया. Transactions देखो तो 489 million number of orders, which has also gone up 5.8% QOQ basis. And financial metrics total net income is gone up 7.6% QOQ. Gross client acquisition is 3 million. Rank in incremental NSE active client is second rank. Then average daily turnover 45.4 trillion, that is also 3.7% which has gone up. Share in India's demat accounts 50.7%, that is total market share. It is plus 44 bips, it has gone up QOQ. Share in NSE active client base is 15.4, 19.3% share in NSE retail overall equity turnover, and total 21.1% share in India's incremental demat accounts in Q2 FY25. Good performance. So here you can see that the cash delivery orders are also gone up from 35 million to 74 million in Q2. Average client funding book also has gone up from 14 billion to 39 billion in second quarter. EBITDA ब्रिज देखोगे तो EBITDA Q1 25 में 4194 था, जो 5977 हुआ है. 49.9% EBITDA margins, बहुत बढ़िया results. So here we see how they are scaling up the assisted business. There is a robust growth in net broking income. So here you can see 157 crore for second quarter. EBITDA also if you see 60% for Q2. So here they are saying diversifying revenue blocks. So super app evolution, broking and allied products, mutual fund to lending products to fixed income products. So here they see lending products, they have got credit distribution, which they have tied up with Aditya Birla Capital, Credit Saison India. Live in pipeline are 3 banks and NBFCs, and there are 3 NBFCs which are live. 3.6 billion cumulative disbursement in September. Then fixed deposit distribution में श्रीराम फाइनेंस, बजाज फाइनेंस, साउथ इंडियन बैंक, then Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, Suryodaya Bank and Shivalik. So that is also very impressive. The mutual fund product has taken a significant offtake. If you see here 2314 in thousands, it is unique SIPs registered 2314 and achieving high engagement with clients. So 0.8 million unique SIPs registered in September. Amongst top 2 players incremental SIPs and greater than 50% of SIP clients do more than one SIP. So mutual fund में SIP जो कर रहे हैं उसका जो डेटा है ये. Wealth management is another big opportunity for Angel One. Wealth management is a target addressable market, ultra high net worth individuals. They have around 10 million annual income to this. So this is a category. 0.2 million are tax filers. So this is basically a sector tailwind. Levers of growth are domain, tech, team and TAM. So domain में investment value added services for wealth management. Tech is captive tech expertise. Team is co-founders with deep domain expertise, and TAM is serving ultra net worth, high net worth individuals, fast growing segment. So Angel One has presented excellent results for this quarter, consistent top total net income from every cohort. So if you see here pre FY20, the gross acquisitions were 3681 for FY24. So आप देख सकते हो margin also is 1651. Then margin X branding is 49.5%, operating margin 46.9%, operating profit is 1563 crores. So Angel One is consistently acquiring younger clients. So less than 5 years के 42% in first half, 58% is greater than 25 years. So more or less आप देख सकते हो कि 52% से 58%. So greater than 25 years is a little bit increase here. 89% of gross client addition contributed by tier 2, tier 3 and beyond cities in second quarter. So here you can see a tier 1 cities 0.6%, 0.3 here, and tier 2 cities 0.7, and tier 3 cities it is 2.2 million. So overall Angel One has presented very good second quarter September results for FY25. Here is a fintech model enabling penetration of vast addressable market. So basically here they are saying what is the penetration level of individuals, like individual PAN card holders are 732 million, India demat accounts are 175 million. So it is only 12.2% of population. So this has got a lot of scope for increasing the demat accounts. NSE active clients, it is 3.3% of population. So this is also यहाँ पे भी increase होने का काफी chance है. Then here rising share of investors on NSE from beyond top 5 states. So top 5 rest of India is also increasing, like 51.9% is rest of India, whereas top 5 states is 48.1. So overall Angel One's second quarter results are pretty impressive. They have increased their revenues also, and profits also have gone up. So consult your financial advisor in case if you want to take a position or buy this stock, so that financial advisor will be able to guide you properly. This is not a recommendation to buy Angel One, but definitely looking the future of this company is looking pretty bright. So thank you for viewing this video. In case if you like the video, kindly click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.